So because of the way it's clamped, I've had to do this at 8 thousandths per pass, and it's taken several hours to hit my target. And that's because I need to keep the tool pressure as light as possible so I don't bind it up, in the lathe and have a bigger problem. This is the last pass for the outside. I still have to face that. And then I'm thinking about getting an 11-inch O-ring and cutting a groove in the middle of there. Because if you can listen to this, that harmonic vibration, if I cut a groove slightly narrower than the width of an O-ring, an 11-inch O-ring, and I compress the O-ring in that groove all the way around, that will dampen any future vibrations that this wheel might have, because it's a 12-inch wheel. That's why it's vibrating. If it was a 5-inch wheel, wouldn't vibrate like that. You wouldn't hear that harmonic. Maybe a little overkill, but I think I want to do it just for the heck of it. So in automotive, when I was working in the shop, whenever we would do rotors and they would hum like this and harmonic like this, we had big rubber bands that we would put around the outside of the rotor, and that would shut them up. Because when you're machining, that harmonics is going to impart, that vibration's going to show up on your cut. And on a brake rotor, you don't want that. And you don't really want it on this, although this doesn't matter. This isn't a super precision part, but I'm thinking I might want it while I'm using it as a carbide polisher, just to make sure I don't have any future issues. I'm here now, might as well design it into the wheel.